Milk Nirvana. Add 1 cup of almonds to 4 cups of distilled water. Let them soak overnight. Strain and rinse your almonds and place them into the blender. Add 4 cups of filtered water. A pinch of pink Himalayan salt, 1 date, pitted, and up to 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. That is totally optional. Now, lid goes on and you blend until smooth. Once the mixture is blended, you can strain with a nut milk bag or with cheesecloth, whatever you have or whatever you feel comfortable with. And whatever is left over, the milly stuff, you can put in the oven at 200 degrees for about 30 minutes and let it dry, and you can process it again, and you can use the almond and such for almond flour, or you can just add it to a smoothie in the morning. And with a little patience, letting it strain out, you get your almond milk, fresh almond milk.